In this video, I'll detail how to use the stock app on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to get information about the current market cap, stock in percentage, or whatever figure you want, then you can easily use your Apple Watch stock application. So if you're not on this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is just press the 2 crown once to exit the watch face. Then go to your Apple Watch settings and click on that. On the settings page, just want to scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to stocks, then click on that. Now once you selected stock, tap metrics under compilation, that's date metrics. Then here you have option to choose from current price to point change, percentage change, or market cap. See that? Then once you selected any of these, just hit the back button to go back to the app menu. On the app menu, scroll down and locate the stock application. This, click on that. Then this is what you're going to see. Click on the 3 dot at top right where you see view options. You can switch between price change, percentage change, and market cap. That is watch list show, percentage change. This is what we're going to see. Market cap down, S&P, AEPL, BA, PRKIVB. Is that? Then this information was gotten from Yahoo Finance. So this is automated information from Yahoo Finance. So that is it. So this is how you can easily use the stocks app on Apple Watch. Found this helpful and informative? Please don't forget to like and subscribe.